Today's video is about how to link your Exchange account to your TurboTax account. First, quick intro. Welcome to Pro Trade Series with your host, me, Peter Lykke, featured on these publications, aka XVG Whale, aka Pajama Boy, and here to bring you another video. And first, I'd like to remind you, if you comment on my videos, subscribe, hit that notification bell, like the video, you are entered to win free crypto. Even better if you leave your XVG Verge currency address or your Bitcoin address. And yeah, this is brought to you by ProTrade.tools. Juice your trades with coins of the day, as well as Arbitrage.software. Easy way to link your accounts to make easy, quick arbitrage trades. Great for making profit and volatility. Now let's get the video started. What's up, YouTube? If you're trading on CoinSpot, good news. It is easy to export your data directly to TurboTax. Details on how to do that in the video description. There is a web app that works with TurboTax and not just CoinSpot, but all sorts of exchanges. And you can see a full list of exchanges by clicking the link there. It is free to sign up, and it makes filing your taxes much easier. The IRS is cracking down on enforcing crypto trading taxes, and it is complicated to try to figure out those taxes yourself, believe me. So I highly recommend that you use this and have it automatically fill out those tax forms for you, and then you can fill out the rest of your information through TurboTax, make it a lot easier and get that out of your mind so you don't got to worry about it. And then also, if you don't, these exchanges using KYC nowadays, tax man going to come after you if you don't report. So I suggest that, or else they will chase you down like John McAfee. No lie, they will. Anyway, yeah, you see what happened to John McAfee, and then a lot of people thought I had more money than I had, and then I almost died. Look at my XVG YouTube page, my other YouTube page. See what happened to me. It's not fun. Pay your taxes, y'all. They serious about taxes out here. Anyway, what else? Look at the video description. In addition to that, about how you can sync up your account with TurboTax, there's some information about an exchange to use where you can get a debit card to spend your crypto and stocks and commodities. You could be like a pirate and just have gold and silver and spend that with your Visa card. But this is for crypto maximalists around here. I got my Frankie McDonald's because I collect Frankie McDonald's instead of Benjamin Franklin's. And if you want to stack them sats even more, I really suggest sign up to ProTrade.tools with my boy Nicola with the hot list. Altcoin hot list of the day is popping. That is a really great way to grow your crypto holdings, and a free that's members only. If you want something for free to sign up to, there's some links in the video descriptions for some free trade bots compatible with a lot of exchanges. Also, if you want to stack some more sats, head over to arbitrage.software. That's my domain name. I own some nice domain names. Thanks to my crypto gains, I own some nice domain names. Excuse my terrible rhyming, like vvs.diamonds and protrade.tools. And then anyway, thanks to the generous sponsors, I'm going to be giving away a lot of crypto in 2022, so make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, boop, and comment on as many of my videos as you can. And I suggest commenting with your Bitcoin address or your Verge currency address. Even easier for me to send to you or your favorite altcoin. Feel free to shill. That will be the topic of today's comments. Shill whatever altcoins you like in the video description and leave your address. And once I start making it rain on the commenters, waited for a little bit of more comment action, and then I'm going to start making it rain on commenters. So be ready. notification squad. I only got like 9 subscribers so far, but persistence pays. So yeah, and you probably should pay your taxes too. So get to that link in the video description. Yeah.